Alright, Shaw TV friends, I am now going to show you the best way to set up a YouTube playlist and to make sure you understand how to use it and edit it. So I'm assuming you've signed into your YouTube account. If you need that information how to sign in, just contact Darren Scott. I have all your logins, but I assume you have that. So from there, you want to go to your video manager. Up here in the top right, you can always click on this little menu and you'll see Video Manager. There's other ways to get there too. Sometimes buttons display to kick you there as well, as you can see up here in the navigation bar. Anyway, you'll usually default to Uploads, and that just lists all the videos you have. So what you want to do is go to Playlist right here. You can see I already have a bunch created. I actually even have a test one here, but we're just going to create another one as an example to show you. So once you have Playlist, you just go up here and go New Playlists. Name it. I'm just going to pretend this one's for WHL Full On. I already have one. So I'll actually call it Full On 2, just for whatever. You can put a description. You do not have to, but it does make it easier to search, and search engines will pick it up. So then you press Create Playlist. You'll be taken to it. Obviously it's empty. You just say Save, and then we'll get some videos in it. So really the playlist is now created. So go back to your Video Manager. Remember I said there's different ways. You'll see there's a button right up here now. It says Video Manager. Go back, and now go back to your uploads, and that's all your videos. So now all your videos are here that you have uploaded in the order that you've uploaded them. And so now if you want to add videos, you just check the ones you want to add. Look, I just noticed there happens to be 4 WHL ones here. Let's put those in our list. So once you check the ones you want, and you can scroll down the page if you need to, you press Add To. You find your playlist, happens to be right at the top, WHL Full On 2, and you just press it. So they are now added, and you see down at the bottom here it actually popped up and showed you the playlist. So that's great. So then the second part is you want to make sure that they're in the right order that you want them to display. Remember that whatever order they're in from top to bottom is the order they will come on when you put them on your website. That's in the second video, how to put them on your website. Please watch that video. This one is just for playlists. So to edit it, you can go in here. You can just go over here to say Edit your playlist that you found. And then the easiest way, you can quick sort here by the most amount of views, the title, alphabetical, date, random, reverse. That's great. I find, you know, for ours, unless you have a whole bunch of videos for something like this, you probably just want to click and drag them. So I would say the intro should go first. You just go by the checkbox here, you click, you can just drag it right up. So let's say the intro, let's say Ty Ratty, we want to talk about him, put him there. Keegan Lowe goes to the bottom, you can just drag around. And then when you have it, all you got to do is hit Save. Right up here in the top right. And then that's saved. And that's your playlist, and it's in order. Now, here's another cool thing about playlist. That was great for your own videos, but sometimes you may want to put other videos on. You can actually add any video you want that's on YouTube under your playlist, even if it's not property of Shaw. Obviously, be careful with that. You only want things we have rights for. Don't use any content you're not sure if we have the rights to. But for example, I'm going to flip over to another tab I had here. I just happened to search for WHL playoff stuff, and I see this is actually the Portland Winterhawks site. So this is an official site. I can trust this. And they actually have their playoff intro video. I think that would be great for our playlist. It's obviously owned by the Portland Winterhawks, but we're allowed to embed it, and it comes from a reliable source. So all you gotta do is under any YouTube video, you see there's this Add To. And you have to be signed in. Make sure you're signed into your account. And then you just hit Add To. And then all your playlists are going to come up. And then again, I'll just go hit WHL Full On again, and it's like, okay, it says it's added. Even down here, you can even put notes. You can put, like, you know, from the Portland site. I mean, you might want to be more specific than that, but you can put in notes to where we got that from. So you can put add note, and that's great. So now, if I'm just going to flip back to my other tab, and I'll just do a refresh here. And if I go in my playlist, look, there it is. It appeared. So again, if I want to do the order, I would quickly go in. There's up here. If you're on the playlist, you can see the edit playlist comes up in the top left. You go down, and then you can redo your order. So let's even say we want that fourth here. So again, just click and drag, and then we go save. So that's really it with all the playlists. It's that easy. Like I said, there's another video that shows you how to put them on your website. But for just making a playlist, it's that easy. Make sure you go into your playlist button, make one. Click videos, add them, go to other videos that are reliable, put them in, and you're done. I hope that helps, and if you have any questions, as always, just give myself, Darren Scott, a call or an email, and I will help you out. Cheers.